Ocean Wave 12. Some friends were watching the 1 meter wave equals one job. So if we have every 350 meters, one wave, left and right, some rocks, coral reef, fish living, artificial home for fish, safe place. Therefore, we are also generating life, but in the shore, we are generating 350 perpetual jobs per peak or wave. Some youngsters, millennials, Zs, were thinking about this and saying, well, why did no one ever before thought of generating 350 jobs per 350 meters, one wave, for perpetuity? Indeed, this is the proof that the world politicians are really earning the money today. Well, can they give it back? Yes, with interest rates and all the fat people, cholesterol. Imagine everybody fit, sporty, even high IQ people happen to be much better at reflexes. Those we could even have them in excellent shape for 100 years instead of shorter lives, because sports usually involve longer lives. That means that the pension system, the work system, everything will be working. But the question is that these millennials and Zs said that I treated very badly the politicians. I was very tough in the politicians. Of course, if I see one of them surfing with me or with you, will you remind them about tax and about how many waves we've lost the last 100 years? Well, then perhaps is it the reason to be angry, not for the tax, but for the waves? You see, that's the reason of this videos series of Ocean Wave. It is, should we have the right of surfing and have free waves worldwide for everybody and generate jobs along the coast of Indonesia, America, Asia, Europe, everywhere? Or don't we have that right? I believe so. If I do have this tough opinion about them, is their problem. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe.